Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I should be Mr. Reuben official. This is to tell all JAMBites that have less than 1 week for their exam to kick off, which will be starting on 6th May. Do you know that you can prepare for JAMB within 1 week? I'll be giving you 4 basic keys on how to prepare for JAMB within 1 week. First of all is to try as much as possible to go through all JAMB syllabus which is on JAMB website. Make sure you pass through them, which you revise all JAMB syllabus. All you just have to do is, I know that most of us may be offering subjects like English, mathematics, chemistry, physics. If you are offering these 4 subjects, which as a science student, all you just have to do is to go to JAMB website, go to their iBase and look for all the websites for your selected subjects and make sure you revise all. Secondly, try to build the spirit of confidence in yourself. Try to be confident that you can make this. Don't think about failure. Just keep thinking that surely you will pass this jam. And again, try to build the zeal to read. Try to build a zeal to read so that any text that comes across you, you will be able to read it. And lastly, but not the least, commit whatever you are doing into the hands of God or Allah. Please, thank you.